As you can see, I'm standing in the middle of the new Student Success Center, clearly under construction. A great time for UCR because we're just about to put the final beam in to top off the structure itself, and then work focuses on the inside, the finishing. While we're finishing the inside of the building, a Student Success Center, this isn't the only place, of course, student success happens at UCR. Student success happens everywhere. Buildings just house people, and it's the people that make the university a success and make individual lives and careers as students here a success. But I really am excited about this instantiation of those long-standing values of education and student growth here in our new Student Success building. Looking forward to having everybody back on campus as soon as this pandemic is over, so we can actually all be in the building with the finishes, with the carpet, and enjoy a brand new classroom building.